Mary, we have a problem. The client sent new feedback.
What did they say?
They want the website to have rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, all together.
Oh no, that is too many colors. It looks unprofessional.
I know, but the client says it is their brand.
We need to talk to them. A good website uses 2 or 3 colors maximum.
You are right. Can you help me write an email?
Yes, we explain that too many colors confuse the user.
Good idea. We can show them 2 clean design options.
Option 1 with their main color, option 2 with 2 colors only.
Perfect. The client wants to look professional, right?
Exactly. We help them understand. That is our job.
Okay, let's send the email now.
Yes, and let's add the examples. Visuals always help.
Great. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Good design is good for everyone.